Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and for the last several months we've had my Procreate Dreams animation course and How to Draw Human Anatomy. Both those courses have been on sale for $1. And like everything else, all good things must come to an end. So at the end of this coming Memorial Day weekend, which is this coming weekend, those sales are going to go away. So if you're interested in those two courses, Procreate Dreams Animation or my approach to drawing human anatomy, and you're interested in getting those for $1, you have to go on over to creatureartteacher.com before the end of the weekend and get them. Otherwise, they're going to be gone forever, at least for the $1 price. We'll be coming out with other sales along the way as well, so stay tuned for that. But just go to creatureartteacher.com. Check out what we've got. Get animating and Procreate Dreams and my approach to drawing human anatomy for $1. It ends this weekend. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.